Hey guys, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. Welcome back to another video, my friends. Once again, I'm talking about the Dent coin price prediction. What's going on in the Dent coin, my friends? In this video, I will share the latest update. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now, my friends, in this video, we talk about the price of Dent coin in 2021 to the last of 2021. First of all, now the current live price of Dent coin is 0.0000002143 USD dollar, my friends. That is the current price of Dent coin. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the changes occur in the Dent coin, so you can see here, my friends, that every change occur in the Dent coin is positive. Every change, the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Dent coin is positive. So I'm very happy to see this kind of changes occur in the Dent coin, my friends. Anyways, so that's why I'm telling you that one USD dollar is my target for a Dent coin. They can easily hit a 1 USD dollar to the last of 2021, my friends. So my friends, now I recommend for all of you also to please hold it, don't decide to sell. Absolutely, if you hold, so you get good amount of profit from a Dent coin. You can see here, my friends, that after 20 July the Dent coin taken a huge pump and still they are in the jumping mood. My friends. So I'm very happy about a Dent coin changes, my friends. Anyways, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about Dent coin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.